This is the first magic trick that I ever learned. Let me show you. You take this band, an elastic band, you put it around these two fingers just here. It's nice and tight round there. However, if you wave your hand just like this, watch, the band jumps over to these two fingers over here. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, hang on a second, Mark, you must have done a sneaky move. So let me just show you. Let me put the band back on these two fingers over here. And what I will do is I will trap the band onto the fingers by interlacing the purple band over the top like that. So now you can see that the green band is completely trapped by the purple band around here. And you can see that it's tight there around the fingers. However, if I do this, watch, the band still jumps over to these fingers over here. So, would you like to learn how to do that? Let me show you. First of all, you need two rubber bands. You need a green rubber band and you need a purple rubber band, or whatever colours you want, okay? The colours really don't matter. First of all, you take the purple rubber band, you place it around your wrist like this, and you take the green rubber band and place it around these two fingers. Now here's the sneaky move. This is what you need to do. You need to take the band and you need to close your hand into a fist like this and place the band around the fingernails like that. Then what happens is, when you actually straighten the fingers, the band will jump over to the opposite two fingers over here. Now obviously if you did it just like that, that'll be quite obvious. So here's how you do it. What you do is you take the band and you stretch it like this to show that it's on these two fingers. And as you do that, you close your fist and place the band around the fingernails just like this. So if I was to do that fast, it would look exactly like this. Watch. 1, 2, 3, like that. And then to hide the sneaky move of doing that, what you would then do is to wave your hand in front as you extend your fingers. So you go like this, you go 1, 2, 3, and the band changes to the other two fingers. Now, you would think that if you place the purple band around these two fingers here and interlace them just like that, that would prevent the green band from jumping over to these two fingers. But that's not the case at all. If you close your fingers again and do the sneaky move like this, what happens is, when you straighten your fingers, the band will just move around these two fingers here and go over to these two fingers here. So let me show you that in fast motion. Let me move that back over to these two fingers here. And if I close my fist around like that, putting the band around the fingertips, once you do this, watch, the band will jump back over to these two fingers. So, now you've learned the secret, go ahead and start entertaining your friends.